In the Isha Hatha Yoga Teacher Training Program, all trainees have their practices corrected individually. From Upayoga, Surya Kriya, Angamardana and Yogasanas, all postures are looked at to see the trainees understand the fundamentals of each and every practice.
So it's been a few weeks since we've been initiated into the practices, and recently we went through a session of one-on-one practice corrections. I must say that it was very insightful, a little bit painful, because sometimes you think you're doing it right, you think you've got the instructions okay and you're doing it okay, but so many mistakes are there and you were not even aware of it. Even the subtlest of subtle corrections were made, and what I noticed was the way in which the corrections was made, the precision with which it's been told, and it's not done like a physical process. In Isha, it's more like an internal, inward process where even if you're not able to do it right then, it gets recorded in such a way that you know that that's how it's supposed to be, and you'll get there eventually.
It's a very humbling experience, and it's very rewarding. It's very rewarding because there are so many things I didn't realize I was doing. I thought I wasn't bending my knee, and I was bending my knee. So to have somebody point that out to me in a very constructive, a very supportive environment, it was very helpful. And since that, I've been noticing things far more when I do my actual practices. And now I'm paying much more attention to how I do it. So it was really, really helpful.
The whole practice correction session in a way was quite an inward driven process where things are being told to us in a way that we have to look at them personally. I mean, I've seen several videos on YouTube and other places where when you see, people are correcting the asanas, they touch the students and they'll fix them physically, to get them into the right posture. But with the way it was done here, it's the kind of sanctity that is maintained, not just because it is a physical posture, because it's way more than that. Very next session when I started doing my practices after that, after getting the corrections, it actually, if you really pay attention, it really reflects in the way, they take effect in your body and your mind.
Honestly, I'm completely amazed by the way the training is happening. It feels so natural for me. It just feels so natural. It just feels like this is what we're supposed to be doing. And this is what is supposed to be happening anyway. It's not just about learning Hatha Yoga. I feel like I'm learning a whole new way of life. They're going into every detail of an ideal way to be. As a teacher, I think how you are is more important than what you're saying. So I'm trying to focus on that more than anything else. I think this is one of the best sort of education that I've ever been through, that I've ever seen happen. I've never seen this quality of education anywhere. So yeah, I just think I'm lucky to be here.